And what's really important in those modules is that we use scenarios, often branded as day in a life. So it's not using sort of your normal Salesforce system like that, accounts and then contacts and then opportunities. It's turning it around and saying, okay, my salesperson comes in first thing in the morning. What does he do? He opens Salesforce. Where's he going? He's not going to create an account first thing in the morning. He's probably going in and maybe checking a dashboard to see how his sales are doing. Or maybe he's going to look at his activities. Or maybe he's going to look at his opportunities to see what's my priority. Yeah, so you build your training around what do the people actually do in what order. Yeah, we all, if we do admin training, developer training, we all talk like you do accounts and then you create a contact and take an opportunity and you might create a case and then maybe do some tasks. Real life isn't like that. Yeah, so that's why this scenario is important.